In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and create tasks in Hubspot CRM. We'll walk through each step carefully so you can easily integrate task creation into your everyday workflow. Let's dive in. First, head over to HubSpot's homepage, open your preferred web browser and type in their URL. Once you're on their homepage, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. Enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you haven't already signed up, you'll need to create an account to follow along with this tutorial. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home dashboard. From here, find and click on the CRM option. This will take you to the CRM section where the magic happens. Once you are in the CRM section, locate and click on Tasks from the navigation menu. This is where you can access existing tasks or create new ones. To create a new task, click on the Create Task button. It's straightforward, and clicking it opens a new task creation form. Here you'll input the details of the task you want to manage. You have fields to specify the task title, due date, and any other crucial information that makes managing the task easier for you. Once you've filled out the necessary details, you'll notice options to categorize your tasks further. Under these you have To Do, which is usually for general tasks, Email for tasks involving email communication, and None, among others, each serving different purposes. Select the one that best fits the nature of your task. Then set the task priority. You'll see options such as low and so forth, which help you and your team understand the urgency of each task. Choose the appropriate priority setting to ensure tasks are attended to in order of importance. For reminders, options like no reminder at task due time can be selected based on how actively you need to be prompted about the task. Timely reminders can help keep you on track, so choose according to your workflow needs. In the Notes section, you can type in additional information relevant to the task. This can include key points to remember, specific instructions, or just a general outline of what needs to be accomplished. The more detailed your notes, the easier it will be to execute the task without missing important details. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the inputs, click on Create to finalize the task entry. And there you have it, you've successfully created a task in HubSpot CRM. With these steps, you'll be able to streamline your activities, keeping all your business tasks organized and efficiently managed right within HubSpot. Implementing these task management techniques will undoubtedly enhance your productivity and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for following along, and happy task managing.